Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami turtle, and it's an action model because when you undo these folds, you can tuck its head in like this. So you just undo those folds, and then you can just push its head in like that, and it gets tucked in. See, like that. Isn't that cool? And then just remake those like that. So alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this turtle, I used a 6" square of this Animal Patterns origami paper, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to use an ordinary 6" square of kami. So, it's white on the other side, so let's begin white side up and fold in half. So this is going to be a green turtle. And don't fold in half all the way, just make 2 crease marks right here. I mean, you could fold in half all the way, but you might just end up with an extra crease on the shell. So that's why I'm just making the pinch marks. Okay, but it probably wouldn't hurt if you make the whole fold though. Okay, now fold to your pinch marks. Okay, and now fold in half this way, but again, you could make the whole fold, but I'm just going to make 2 crease marks. So the shell will be creaseless. No creases on it. Alright, and now fold 2 crease marks. Okay, and now take this edge and fold it to here, and again we're just going to make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides. One here, and one here, like that. And now fold it up so that the 2 crease marks align with this edge. And this time we can actually fold it all the way across. Alright, and repeat on this side. So fold to the edge, but just make 2 crease marks. One here, and one here. And now fold so the crease marks align with the edge. And you can fold all the way across this time. Okay, now we're going to choose which one's the head or the tail. So I'm going to make this side be the tail and this side be the head. So let's work on the tail first. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the middle. So we're making a paper airplane fold. And notice that it's not going to flatten yet because of this edge. It kind of drags along with it. So the way to flatten it is that let's make the fold right here. And we're also going to squash right here. So squash it so that this edge aligns with that edge. And make sure they align right here too. Okay, like that. And repeat on this side. Alright, like that. And there is our tail complete. So there it is. It's a pretty fat looking tail. But I don't care, I like the way it looks anyway. Alright, now let's work on the head. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, and this is actually a very similar fold, but it's not gonna be a paper, it's not really gonna be a paper airplane fold. So we're gonna fold it like this, and this is kind of hard to explain, but I'll do my best. So we're going to anchor the fold at that point. And this fold is actually really to taste. So just kind of eyeball it. It doesn't need to be perfect at all, but just eyeball it. If you want, you can just try and match what I'm doing. So just fold it so that it's about like this. Okay, just like this. It's to taste. And make sure the fold originates there. Like that. So yeah, there's not really any guide marks for this. This is just an eyeball fold. And repeat on this side. And you can just try and match what we did here. Okay, just about like this. This I'm going to say is probably the hardest step. And I'm going to make the fold originate here. Maybe it doesn't need to originate there, but I'm doing that though, just for the heck of it. Alright, like that, and that's our head. Okay, so now we're going to work on the action to make it tuck in. So to do this, we're going to take this edge, we're going to fold it so that the fold we're making aligns with this edge, but don't make it sharp, just kind of just lightly fold it like that, because we're going to roll it back and forth, and that's what makes the action. So just take it and just going to roll this back and forth like this. And this is how the action works. Okay, just keep rolling it back and forth like this. And on the sides too. See, like that, and there is the action. So the head will tuck in like that. Okay. All right. Now before we do that, let's kind of round the shell off. So just shape it to taste, about like this. Alright, and here it is. Here is our completed turtle. And you can round the head off if you want. Okay, like that, and there it is. And then to make it tuck inward like this, just undo these two folds. And then you can take the head and just kind of roll it back like that. See? And now it's tucked in. Comes back out. See? And you can keep it like this, like folding those. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys like that, and hope you're able to fold it, and make sure you subscribe, and make a demo of it if you folded it. I'd love to see it. Alright, see you guys later.